Tough stains call for a tough solution. Command: oil, tar, grease, carpet spot remover. Watch as we spill oil on this carpet. The soil-releasing agents and powerful water-soluble solvents rapidly penetrate tough petroleum-based stains to remove them with minimal effort to reduce time and labor costs. Right before your eyes, you'll see that once impossible spot transfer from your carpet to your cloth. Just spray and blot the stain away. Command is a must-have in hospitality, healthcare, retail, educational, and office facilities.